Did you ever try to bake a bread with potatoes? If not, you're gonna missing out the softest and the most delicious bread what you can easily make at home. Today we are making a pane con patate, a bread with potatoes. And when you make it, you're gonna make it again and again because it's so delicious. So let's start! Start by boiling your potatoes with the peel on. This helps lock in nutrients and flavor. Once they're cooked and soft, peel them, cut them into chunks and mash them with a fork until they're smooth. Now let's bring everything together. In a large bowl, combine the potatoes, all-purpose flour, semolina flour, salt, dried yeast, olive oil and the water. Now mix all the ingredients in the mixer and it all comes together. Switch to the kneading attachment and let the mixer do the work. The dough should be soft but manageable. Potatoes can vary, so if your dough feels a bit too sticky, simply add more semolina flour until it feels right. Let the dough rest for about 20 minutes. Then fold it a few times to strengthen the gluten structure, and this makes the bread light and airy. Let it rest again for another 20 minutes and fold it once more. We repeat this process one more time so your dough rests a total of 3 times. Finally, let the dough sit for 8 hours. Yes, that's right, it needs a long rest to develop the flavors and texture we want. Preheat your oven to 415 Fahrenheit and place your iron pot inside to heat up as well. Take the dough out of the bowl and fold it several times. This helps to keep the structure light. Sprinkle some semolina flour on top for a nice crunchy finish and make a cut in the dough. And this cut allows the bread to rise better in the oven. Carefully place the dough in your preheated iron pot and cover it with the lid. Now bake the bread for 40 minutes and after that remove the lid and bake for another 15 minutes to get that beautiful golden crust. And there it is, perfectly baked potato bread. Crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside. Slice it up and enjoy with a drizzle of olive oil. It's simple, nutritious and so satisfying. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Buon appetito!